Hi boys and girls, welcome back to my channel. It's Tonya Emm, aka Diabla Verde. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload new videos. I'm plugging this in every video, so just beware. I recently started my own beauty brand called 1111 Beauty, where right now we're featuring 100% real make lashes, 3D and 5D. So go ahead and click the link in the description box for your lash needs. So today's unit is a wig that I did purchase from Amazon. It's from a seller called Yolande Fairy, and it is a human hair finger wave unit, shortcut pixie cut unit. And I purchased her for $18.99 plus tax. If you have Prime, you get free shipping. They sent over some goodies with the wig, but of course, I love my wig caps and they sent me some, so I'm just very happy about that. This is what the unit looks like. It's a color number 30. Okay, so this is how, it's a side part, right side part. This is how the inside looks. It has one comb in the front and a comb in the back and adjustable straps. I'm going to, it seems big. I'm going to try it on first before I adjust because I may not have to. It is a lot of hair. And I will have to adjust her because she's a little big for my head. I do have a small head, so it is big head friendly. Right there. Still kind of loose, but I'm just gonna add the comb. I don't want it to be too tight. So we are going to tame her. So this is how she looks on. I might have to pull the straps close. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that works out better for me when I click the straps together. This is how she looks all the way around. This is before we do any adjusting. So it is a right side part. Razor comb. I'm not gonna wet her just yet, but okay. So I'm back and she's cute. Like, this is a cute wig. It reminds me of the Janet Collection Mommy wig, but this nice color number 30. I don't think they had this one. I know the newest one had the color number 27, but I prefer like something darker like this. The only thing that gets me is that it's too big for my head. I have a small head, so if you have a larger head, this is perfect for you because it won't lay down flush to my head in the back. And I feel like if it did, it'll be perfect. It's just too puffy on the sides, as you can see here. If it lay flush, this would be so cute. But again, it doesn't, so it's a struggle for me. But I like this wig. I like the style that I chose. You could go shorter and just do like a messy look, or you can go like this. Anyway, so you could do like a messy look like this. And just bring the hair to the front. I think I like this better. I was trying to mold it to my head just so you can see that style first, because that's what style initially came in. But I like this one better. Just a like messy look. So yeah, tell me what you think down in the comments below. I'll also put the link to where you can buy the wig or on Amazon in the description box. Thank you for watching. Bye.